Welcome everyone, my name is Chris Ramirez, the very proud principal of Pacifica High School. We are the best high school in all of Oxnard Union High School District. Please enjoy this video so that you can get to better understand our programs, our academies, our pathways, the best teachers that we have in the district, as well as the students and the best families. Enjoy. Bienvenidos todos. Yo soy el señor Ramírez, el director de Pacifica High School. Hoy van a tener la oportunidad de saber sobre nuestros programas de la escuela, las academias, y van a aprender sobre todo lo que tenemos aquí ofrecemos también para las familias y los estudiantes. Disfruten el video y bienvenidos familias.
Hello and welcome to Pacifica High School. I am Angelita Sandoval, one of the assistant principals here, and I'm eager to meet you all. Buenos días y bienvenidos a la Escuela de Pacifica. Yo soy la señora Angelita Sandoval, subdirectora aquí de la escuela. Bienvenidos.
Welcome. My name is Ray Gonzalez. I'm assistant principal here at Pacifica High School. I want to welcome you to the biggest school in Ventura County, as well as the best school in Ventura County, the Pacifica High School.
Welcome, Triton students and families. My name is Cristina Magallanes, and I'm one of the assistant principals here at Pacifica High School. Again, we want to welcome you, have you learn all about our programs and the amazing things we have to offer. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Angel Silva, and I am one of 4 assistant principals at Pacifica High School. I want to say hello and welcome you today, and I also want to talk to you about 4 academies at Pacifica High School. The 4 academies that we have at Pacifica High School are the Code Academy, the Teaching and Educational Careers Academy, known as TECA, the Culinary Arts Academy, and the Health Science Academy. The Code Academy teaches students about programming language and computer science. There's also a robotics component to the academy as well. TECA, our teaching academy, gives students a chance to work in the classroom and prepare for a career in education. There are many field trips to neighboring schools and great opportunities for hands-on teaching. Our Culinary Arts Academy has a full professional kitchen for students to learn the art of cooking and explore opportunities in the restaurant industries. Students enter competitions and have done very well in past years. The Health Science Academy is geared for students who want to explore careers in medicine. There are many field trip opportunities, and students work with our local hospitals and doctors to improve their understanding of this field. Please take a look at our academies to find out if your student might be interested. And as I said earlier, I am one of 4 assistant principals at Pacifica High School, but I want you to know if you ever need help, please come to Mr. Silva. I am always happy to help you. If I cannot help you, I will find somebody that can help you. Have a great day.
Hello, my name is Claire Hunter, and I'm the attendance accountant here at Pacifica High School in the attendance office. We are located in the administration building. The way we can better assist you is to have your student bring a note to excuse any absences. Also, we have Parent Square. If you have the Parent Square app, you can report absences via Parent Square.
Hello, my name is Veronica. I work here at the records office at Pacifica High School. For better assistance, please feel free to give us a call, email us, or visit the website pacificahigh.us. We're always happy to help.
Mi nombre es Lupe Córdoba y yo trabajo en la oficina de registros aquí en la escuela. Para más información sobre los servicios que nosotros ofrecemos, por favor visite la página de pacificahigh.us. Ahí va a obtener más información. Pero si gusta llamarnos por teléfono o mandarnos un correo electrónico, con mucho gusto aquí estamos para ayudarlos a ustedes.